Front windshield. Non-reflective tint is allowed on the top 6 inches of the windshield. Front seat side windows. Up to 35% tint darkness allowed. Back seat side windows. Up to 35% tint darkness allowed. Rear window. Up to 35% tint darkness allowed. SUVs and vans. Now let's go over the legal tint darkness for SUVs and vans. Front windshield. Non-reflective tint is allowed on the top 6 inches of the windshield. Front seat side windows. Up to 50% tint darkness allowed. Back seat side windows. Any tint darkness can be used. Rear window. Any tint darkness can be used. Other rules. There are many other rules set in the state of Illinois regarding window tint. Which of these extra rules and regulations should you know about before getting behind the wheel? Side mirrors. Dual side mirrors are required if back window is tinted. Window tint color restrictions. All tint colors are allowed in Illinois. Certifications. Manufacturers of film do not need to certify the film they sell in the state. Stickers. No sticker to identify legal tinting is required. Medical exemptions. Illinois does allow medical exemptions for special tint. For more details about the specific terms of the exemption, consult your state law.